Hey everybody, let's talk fuses. When you're building a solar array, everybody talks about the big components, the panels, the high-end inverters, and the battery banks, but there's an overlooked component that acts like the silent bodyguard of your entire system. Today we're talking about the 30 amp inline fuse. There is the 15 and the 20. Specifically, these high-end Stäubli MC4 options from Signature Solar. They may look like a simple connector, but these are the gold standard for both DIYers and pros. Skipping them can be a costly mistake. First and foremost, let's talk about safety. If you're running 3 or more strings of panels in parallel, an inline fuse isn't just a good idea, it's a safety requirement. If you're using something like this 10 panel system, it's still pretty much a safety requirement. Think about this scenario. If one of the panels in the string develop a short circuit, the other healthy strings don't just stop working. Instead, they're going to dump all their combined current into that one fault. Without protection, your wiring can quickly overheat, melt, catch fire. The benefit of the inline fuse is simple. It pops instantly, isolating the faulty string and killing the circuit before it gets dangerous. Now, you might be thinking that adding a fuse means more wiring headaches, but that's the beauty of the Stäubli style. It's pure plug and play simplicity. You don't need a crimper or anything else. You just clip it into your MC4s and you're done. It's right in line, so there's no extra fuss or mess. Because these stay tucked away on the roof or behind the panels, they are incredibly space efficient. Standard DC breakers or fuse blocks require a combiner box, which takes up wall space and requires additional mounting hardware. This will make the inline fuse a game changer for mobile setups like RVs or vans where space is at a premium. But don't let the small size fool you. These are rated at 1500 volt DC. So whenever your amps get to the breaking point, like the 30 amp fuse, if it gets up 30 amp, it's going to melt immediately. The final piece of the puzzle is basically the internal stability. Unlike clip-on fuses where you slide a glass fuse into a plastic housing, the Stäubli units use a crimped fuse and connections inside. This is a massive advantage because it reduces electrical resistance and the heat buildup over time. The clip-in holders vibrate loose or corrode, basically leading to nuanced trips or melted plastic. The crimp design is more of a true set it and forget it solution. So, that like I said before, they do come in 15, 20, and 30 amp. You do want to look on the back of your panel and see what the sticker is, whether it's 15, 20, or 30 amp. If it's 15, you may want to go with a 20. It all depends upon what you're wanting to do. But either way, protect your investment, protect yourself, and have a great day. If you like more videos, please like and subscribe.